Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Danvers. My name is Dan Thompson. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Sailfish 325 dual console. This boat is equipped with the optional 300 horse white V6 engines. We've also optioned this boat out with the Optimus joystick steering for easy docking. As we move forward into the boat, Sailfish offers a beautiful hardtop with hull color underside painted, wonderful seating with 3 fold-out cockpit seats, nice wet bar with a refrigerator, great storage and a fold-out seat. As we move forward, got beautiful sitting for 4 people, 2 on the port side, 2 at the helm. We've equipped it with great Garmin 10-inch touchscreen electronics, Fusion stereo, and here's your joystick control. As we move forward, a nice deep bow area to keep you safe on a rough day. Storage up in the bow area to keep your decks clear, and a good size head for when you're out there all day. If you have questions about this boat or any other boat in the MarineMax inventory, my name is Dan Thompson. You can reach me at 978-375-1584. Have a great day.